Hello my friends, I have the Acuity shift boot collar upgrade. So I'm gonna open these up, see what we got here. First from Acuity, there is this shift boot collar. I think I'm gonna be using the flat side. Yeah, that looks about right. And then I have to use the appropriate nut. They give you two different nuts and you need to use the appropriate nut for whatever side of the collar you're using. So that's cool, it's gonna be so much more convenient than this thing right here. I do not look forward to getting this off. I don't know if you guys remember, it was a long time ago I put the shift knob on, which I love by the way, but I mangled the stock collar, and poor little guy. But this thing, in my defense, is a pain in the ass to get off. I was told, in all the videos that you watch, apparently there are two clips to the east and west of this collar, and I thought you were supposed to like push them in and then press this down, but it doesn't make any sense. Yeah, I really did screw that up, huh? Damn, I never realized how bad that is. You're supposed to be able to just squeeze and press down. Ugh. It's not working. I already give up. Damn, I feel like it's gonna break my thing. I mean, I can definitely break this now. Oh, look at that. That guy's coming off. This thing must be kind of broken already. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I really did give that thing the sauce last time. Well, it's off now. Before I take all the trim pieces off and stuff like that, because I'm gonna have to remove all of this right here, I am gonna take the knob off. That was not hard at all, thank God. Holy crap, this knob really is heavy. I can feel how heavy this is just by twisting it. That's what she said. Wow, dude, this is super heavy. I forgot about that. And then this nut will just come right off. I'll save this just in case. For a little comparison, this is what the stock nut looks like. It is kind of a chode. And this is the one that I think I'm supposed to be using. All right, let's start with this stuff. For the trim pieces. Where are you, bud? Need you to get up out of here. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Damn, this is being kind of difficult. There we go. There's 4 clips on these. Oh, I am doing this right. Okay. There. Damn, dude, I just shook the whole entire car. Now we got this screw, that one. Oh, I think it's that one's on the side. All right, now this whole thing should come out pretty easily, but you guys know me. There we go. Okay. God, this is disgusting. Ew. Oh, don't even look at the side. What the f... Okay, I'm gonna clean this real quick. That's disgusting. Now we need to take off, I think, 3 little plugs. This white one. This big guy. And then the one all the way over here. That is much better already. Look at the inside. Look how much nicer that is. And also, oh my God, all of my dead skin cells up there, that is gross, dude. How do I know which nut to use? I don't get that part. Oh my God, that's gonna be so sweet, dude. Oh, I already love that. It's always the little things that make me so excited. All right, now we're gonna do the old flipperoo, just like this here. So while I have you here for a moment, yes, I have been seeing everything about the new FL5. I'm on the Facebook group, I'm on most of the Facebook groups regarding 10-gen Civics in general and the Type Rs. Admittedly, I am definitely becoming more of a fan of the FL5, and I would very much like to drive one, make a review video of it if anyone local ends up getting one. I'm at that point where I am admitting that I'm eating my words, which is okay. I don't want to damage the boot. Oh, there, that wasn't bad at all. That is a tiny zip tie. Good thing about this though, is Acuity included a few of them very strategically packaged in here like this. These are a lot thicker though. See, I'm even getting a zip tie upgrade. Everything is all about the upgrades, boys. Get your ass out of there. Okay, now we're going back. We're crowning. Need you to come through here. Fuck, I went through a little bit too hard, boys. This is gonna look so sweet. Now all we do is take the zip tie and make sure I'm doing it the right way. Just remember guys, if you're ever watching one of my install videos, if I can do it, then any one of you can do it. You don't want this too tight, but you definitely want this tight enough to where the fabric's not gonna fall off of it. Cool, this is what it looks like now. I think we're good to go. Here we go. I'm gonna put my knob back on. Also, maybe in the next video, I have a new shift knob to put on that I was just sent. But for now, oh my goodness, look at that, dude. Wait a minute, I thought I had the Acuity thing pointing this way. It says pull to release. That's okay, I can mess around with that later. Look at that. Dude, that is one of the best modifications. Already, I love it. All right, boys, you know what? Another change of plans. What the frig is, that better not be a scratch, dude. That better be, I think that might be dirt. I think that's dirt. Anyway, before I finish putting together the dash, all I need to do is clip those things in. But if you guys saw my last video, you know that Vivian is pregnant. And that means I have 2 hungry girls right now. And they are very hungry. So go to Panda Express because that's one thing for sure that Vivian doesn't throw up. And I need to make it back so I can go for a run because daddy's getting fat, boys. We're doing sport mode today. You know what? I already like the way this looks too over the stock. How everything is just has to be red. Although, and I will talk about the FL5 a little bit. I have been, you know, seeing all the YouTube videos and all the pictures and stuff. All the people posting pictures of their newly purchased FL5s, which is awesome. I mean, if you have the money for that stuff, dude, I'll tell you guys this. I literally don't even think I could afford an FL5 right now. I'd be hard pressed to find one at MSRP anywhere in the country. I mean, I bought this in February 2021. Now it's just like, it's a completely different world. Some people claim to have gotten their Type Rs, their FL5s for like $52,000 out the door, which I find extremely hard to believe. And I don't mean to sound condescending, but I mean, we have seen so many postings of like dealership window stickers. It seems like the most common asking price for the 2023 Type R is up in the $70,000 range. And that just blows my mind, dude. The MSRP going from 38 and some change, which is what I paid for this, to $44,000. That's also a super, that's a tough pill to swallow. It looks like they have put some decent research and development into the FL5. It looks to be getting amazing reviews as always. But I mean, a $5,000 price bump, that's a little extreme. If you guys remember, in 2017, the original MSRP for the 2017 model year was, I think, 34 and some change. So we've gone up $10,000 just in MSRP within 6 years. All right, so money aside, I am really starting to like the FL5. I know I made that video a couple months ago with my opinions on the FL5 when they first revealed it. I wasn't the biggest fan. And I would still, I think what I really need to do is drive one. So again, like, pretty please, if anyone in the Tampa area or Orlando area, whatever, if you're getting one, or if you already have one, after it's all broken in and stuff, your boy would really like to drive it. I know, I changed my mind very quickly, okay? I want one. I want to have one eventually. Maybe I'll buy the last model year, whether that's a, I don't know, 2026 or 2027, and then I can, you know, just pretty much completely retire this car, put it in the garage, and then do all the content stuff with the FL5. I don't know. Maybe people really won't care about the K20C1 situation at that point, or maybe I'm sounding completely.
Hello, thank you for choosing Panda. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a plate with half rice and half lo mein, or chow mein? And then could I do orange chicken and Beijing beef? Thanks.
Hi, welcome. Oh shit, hi, welcome.
What the hell was up with that? Boys, I'm about to fucking floor it. So yeah, anyway guys, I really would like to get an FL5. It's not gonna happen anytime soon. There are so many other cars that I need to have. Like I need to have another 910 Civic Si. And then I need to have something weird and uncommon. Like maybe a K car. Oh my god, guys, I've been getting into K cars lately, doing a bunch of research. The Suzuki Alto Works? Dude, what a cool freaking car that is. We're going R mode right now, by the way. Hope I don't mess up Vivian's dinner. Oh shit. So that's probably my favorite K car. It's basically like a hot hatch, but super, super small. Honestly, guys, I could import one of those for like, I don't know, $10,000, $12,000. We're doing a second gear pull. Whoa, dude, that was weird, but fun. Damn. That brand new pavement back there. Okay, oh shit, dude, this all reminds me. So I haven't had a tire rotation since I got these wheels and tires put on. Reason being, I don't know where my frickin' lock key is, my wheel lock. And I've tried to get tire rotations twice already. Anyway, no one seems to have the spline key that is required to take off these lug nuts. So next video, I'm going to be going to AutoZone, and then I'm going to see tomorrow if I can just pop into a tire shop and get a tire rotation. I say all that because my front tires are way more worn down than my rear tires. And that is just totally my fault for being lazy. If cars had rights, I would be charged with car neglect. That was so fun though. Oh my god. I want to race. I want to race. Also, when I get the BRZ back, boys, I am absolutely taking that to the track, and fucking hold me to that, dude. I'm taking that thing to the track. I'm gonna get a few track days under my belt, and then I can't even talk about the BRZ because I'm just gonna get worked up and kind of depressed at the same time, and also kind of mad, dude. That's taken way too long. Oh, those are clean shifts, boys. Yeah, give it up for me. Those are some clean shifts. If anyone wants to get together sometime soon and go for a drive, maybe through some back roads or some twisty roads, let me know. Ooh, easy there, bud. Yeah, I don't even think I have time to talk about the whole project car search in this video. I think I'm gonna see that for the next video. But it's just not looking good, man. There's just nothing out there in my price range. All right, I gotta get this food to mama real quick. Also, that whole like bouncing off the rev limiter thing, I requested for my Phearable tune that John Vega set my rev limiter to 7,000 RPM instead of 7,200, just because it's, I don't know, 200 RPM more safe, I guess. I was reading about like when these engines start to have valve float and stuff like that. Oh, look at this baby. Look at this pregnant baby with a little Ellie in the belly. Oh, yes. Elena is in the bellena. Oh, yes. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Want to make you a new iced tea?
I'm Selena Gomez, and for World Mental Health Day,
What are you watching? Is this Kardashians?
No, that's Selena Gomez.
Selena Gomez. Oh. Is she that interesting to have a documentary about her already? No? Okay. Got it.
She just really struggles with mental health, and that's all I've seen for the past hour and a half. And you know, she's got all this support and all these people that give a shit and all this money, and she's still like not happy. And I'm just like, what the fuck?
If I had all that money, we would be fucking happy.
I know.
These people are nuts.
I know.
I think the whole like childhood star thing messes people up too.
It does.
Because bitch, give me $10,000 or give me $10 million and we will be happy. Fucking crazy ass people, man. I think another thing is the attention. Like, think of an anonymous person who got...
See, all the famous people now are like, I just want to be a normal person.
Yeah, no they don't.
You know, and
They're
it's
lying.
just like...
They don't.
I mean, I wouldn't want that kind of attention, but I'd want that kind of money.
Ellie is a hungry little baby girl. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Next video, I will be doing some more stuff, installing a new shift knob, little stuff like that. But say goodbye to Vivian as she tries to eat her food and I'm interrupting. I'll probably be in trouble for this.
You're not posting this.
Oh, okay. Well, let's go over to the cat. What are we doing here? What the frig are you doing, you little frickin' cat? You're so goofy. You're a funny cat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, get it. Get it. Yeah, this is a cat. This is a cat.